Welcome back, fellas. Here is my limited edition flipperzero with RGB display mode. Oh man, it looks good. Today I will finally test out this external module CC1101. Yes, pre-made one. Not like the hot glue mess I made before. By the way, product links are in description below. Comment below your most used frequency. This comes with little antenna. PCBWay is the place you need for designing and creating your projects. They have it all and for affordable prices. Get your PCBs, PCBAs, CNC or even 3D printing done and shipped worldwide. Make sure to use my referral link linked in description. Also, you can just grab existing community projects like for example these for flipperzero. Once again, PCBWay.com and my referral link is in description below. And here we have CC1101 module itself, nicely on PCB, not bad for like 15 bucks. CC1101 external module lets you attach any antenna thanks to this SMA connector, so yeah, now I can chuck on tuned antenna and transmit to way longer distances, also receive way cleaner signals. This little antenna is apparently tuned for 433 MHz, but honestly I doubt. Anyway, let's throw it away, and as I mentioned, SMA connector lets you attach any antenna like this telescopic one, this one for actually 433 MHz, this is my most used antenna, or even this for 868 MHz. Also, ham radio antennas such as this Diamond 805S or even stock Quenshank UVK5 antenna will fit on with SMA adapter. I guess you got the point. Subscribe now or else your module comes with missing terminals. Before attaching any external modules, turn off your flipperzero, as last thing you want is to short something. Now safely turn on a flipper and external module should work. We can verify it by navigating to, let's say, SubGHZ, and here let's hit read. Now you can see fishing rod and dolphin's fins, meaning distance catching. Also there is EXT written on the top, meaning external. So module is working just fine. Please subscribe and leave a comment below if you want to see any other pre-made modules. In meantime, feel free to check out other videos. I have a full library of flipperzero content. Also, CC1101 module or antennas with SMA connectors are linked in description below. This CC1101 chip is the same as one inside the flipper. Only difference is that this module can take different antennas, so it is much more versatile. This module is my most used and favored. There is nothing better than transmitting signals over greater distances. Either you use pre-made antennas or you like to build your own antennas, this is module for you. You can even attach amplifier and then, well, radio control all neighborhood. So yeah. Check description below and also PCBWay.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.